It's the middle of May, and yes, it's raining, so I got my beanie on because I don't want these locks to get messed up. But I'm standing here in the historical community of Alta Drive. It's next to Scotch 80. It's about 5 minutes from downtown Las Vegas. Alta Drive is known for its distinctive historical homes. So today I'm doing a tour of a beautiful home, and I was gonna do my drone to get a look at the neighborhood, but it decided to rain on me, so I'm just gonna go down the street right here and film these beautiful houses. This is old Vegas, historical, iconical, beautiful neighborhood in Vegas. Iconic. These neighborhoods are iconic. It's right next to Scotch 80, right down the street from downtown. But so I'm just gonna drive down this beautiful tree-lined street for you guys to show you this. See the tree-lined streets all up and down this whole area. It's like this. You have gates. Some houses you can't even see because the gates are so high. Lots of celebrities, lots of high valued attorneys. Oh, this one right here is just amazing. I mean, these are the kind of houses that you're gonna get. It's an old, like, Victorian style home, colonial style home. You got the big pillars. Then we got mid-century modern ones over here, like this one. This is the iconic Alta, and then you have this beautiful modern home. Just gorgeous. Spanish style home. I mean, the architecture in this area, it just varies so much. It's such a beautiful neighborhood. The Alta neighborhood. Look how beautiful that home is. Now, you wouldn't expect to find these kind of homes in Las Vegas, but in the right neighborhood, almost like a farmhouse, just gorgeous. All these are gonna have gates on them because this is not a gated community. We're close to downtown. There's some riffraff that goes on. This beautiful modern home, just gorgeous. You can't even see it. It's something you can see like in up in Pacific Northwest. And has a storied past as one of the more prestigious addresses in Las Vegas. The area around 2905 Pinto Lane is particularly noteworthy for its unique blend of history, luxury, and character. Alta Drive runs through the older, more established part of Las Vegas and is well known for its large custom homes set on spacious, lushly landscaped lots. Living in historic Alta offers a quieter, more settled lifestyle compared to the bustling, newer areas of Las Vegas. And today, we're going to look at an exclusive property listed by the one and only Stacy Hamilton, a dear associate and one of the realest people at the top producing level. We are going to take a tour of 2905 Pinto Lane. It is listed at just $3 million to own a piece of iconic Las Vegas history. Just a skip and a hop away from downtown Las Vegas. So if you're a lawyer, a casino executive, or just like to be close to the action, this might be the home for you. Situated on 37,897 square foot lot in a historical Alta area behind a private gate, semicircular drive with impressive porticulture sits this 7,000 square foot masterpiece. 8-foot doors, as you can see behind me, welcomes you to this luxury estate. Once inside, you are transformed to a tropical oasis. The sound of the waterfalls from its 14-foot deep pool fill the sunken living room, kitchen, and multiple dining areas. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 1 half bath, a 6-car garage with exterior lush landscaping, a putting green, elevated gardening, and outdoor kitchen to impress and entertain. So stay tuned for the rest of this video because this is a must-see walkthrough and exclusive to this luxury historical piece of real estate. Stacy, where are you at? see you got this porticulture, 8-foot doors inviting you in. Of course, you're gonna have the security and the art. Beautiful entryway. So this is my first time seeing this home. Oh, there she is, the one and only Stacy Hamilton. Which way should I start, left or right? So we're gonna start to the right of this. I'm gonna take my shoes because I'm gonna go out back. And you're gonna have lots of ceiling height. You can see they love their sports. And then you have surround sound, as you can see the speakers in the ceiling throughout the house. This is a step down area. This probably was a formal dining room. So you see this area. Oh man, I still want to play that right now. And you got one bedroom downstairs. And this has its own little courtyard. Or patio space. Saltwater tank, beautiful. Got this huge custom kitchen. Custom fridges, Sub-Zero. Formal dining area, you got the TV. Beautiful formal dining area, open spaces. Beautiful home. Got surround sound throughout. You have the designs on the ceiling. Definitely a chef's kitchen. And then you have your washrooms, and there's cameras throughout this home. Plenty of space for all the storage. And then you have this beautiful bathroom. Again, huge mirror. Got speakers up there, you got a skylight. You have custom soaking jet tub. And that goes straight into the bedroom. We'll just go into the bedroom from here. Oh, and you got a princess room. How cool is this? And this definitely stays with the house because this is a built-in, obviously. And you go up and you have your little castle room in here. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. And then you go up to the sleeping area and you got a princess. This is the best princess room I've ever seen in my life. You got windows. I mean, you can't be that tall. Definitely for a young one, but how blessed is this young one? You got your closet space right there. It's lived in, so I'm not gonna open up the closet space. And then you have, this was a garage. It looks like a playroom now. It has its own independent AC right there. So I guess this would be part of the 2-car garage. And then you have another bedroom. The beautiful inlays in the ceiling. This has a ensuite, just like the other bathroom. Nice high ceilings. Again, another custom jacuzzi. Beautiful home. See those vents right there? Sorry for my shoes. Those are where the HVAC unit comes out. A lot of high quality homes have those. And then we have a step down bar. Stacy Hamilton doing work. Beautiful bar area. Double sliding glass doors. Step down living room. Surround sound throughout the house again. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous home. I'm going to check out the other side. You have your powder room or your guest bathroom, which is a bigger guest bathroom. Again, surround sound in here as well. Custom door on that. It's gonna be the AV room, maybe? Closet. We'll go into the movie theater. Rocky, let's go. Or this could be a bedroom. Ensuite, guest suite, double sinks. That probably goes to the room. And again, you're gonna have your own bathroom. Got an office going right here. Somebody plays ball. And the movie theater with the ultra layout bed. I love it. Couple seats. This looks relaxing and a very cozy movie theater. Love it. You got your wine fridge. Oh, no, that's the AV right there. But you probably put a wine fridge in there if you wanted. See Scarface, Low, Nightmare Before Christmas, Predator, and Anchorman. I love that movie. All right, now let's check out this master. Just inviting. This is like a penthouse apartment in itself. Just take this all in. This is a 2-story master bedroom. Okay, I've never seen a 2-story master bedroom before. This is the first for me. Won't be the last. You have a little wet bar right here. Drops down into the master bath. The closets, we won't go in there, but obviously you can tell it's a huge closet. Bedrooms. Some private pictures, so I try not to get that in there. Jet tub. You got vanity. The commode. I'm just going to have those awesome toilets. And you have a walk-in, step-down bathroom. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a lot of house for the amount. And then you have a sauna. This is going to be a wet sauna. It's going to have a speaker in it. And it looks very inviting. And I wish this was my house, like, because I'd be in it right here. And then in your master, you have obviously access to the backyard, which we'll go see in a minute, but you have a jacuzzi. And it's raining out right now, and it looks so nice. I just want to get in the jacuzzi. Have your fireplace right here. And then upstairs they have a full gym. Oh, this is my dream bedroom right here. Let's go up here. Power plate. Obviously this guy takes his working out very seriously. Look at that. Beautiful home. For $3 million, this is a lot of home in a great area. You should see some of the other homes in other areas where you get $3 million. You don't get much. This is an estate. You have your own back deck. I'm not gonna go out there right now because I don't want to put my shoes on, but I'll go out there in a minute. This home, to me, is extraordinary. It might be seem dated to some, but I like it. 2-story bedroom master. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Okay, ask him. Okay, ask him. And then you said the commission is 3% and we split between, so each of us would get 1%. Place has been super hot, so I've had 5 showings. 5 yesterday, 1 the day before.
So you hear that? 5 showings today, 5 showings tomorrow. If you don't call me today, it's probably gone. That's not what we do. We sell houses.
That's
Let's
what we do at Sotheby's, Las Vegas. We're into selling.
All right. Let's go look at the rest of this property. So there's the master suite. 14-foot pool. Water features in the middle, which is great. We'll go see that side of the property in a second. We are going to check out this Casita. Put your grandparents in. Put your kids that don't want to get a job in. Oh. And you're gonna have the inlays with the ceiling, coffered ceilings. I don't know why it took me so long to get that. And then you have your wet bars, microwave. So it's illegal to have like a stove in the Casita. But I've seen people get stoves in the Casita per building code, You're gonna have, but I've seen people get Casitas with stoves in it. But per building code is actually legal, which I don't get. Then you got a shower, stand up. I don't know how to turn that light on. Sorry guys. Walk-in closet. Then you're gonna have surround sound throughout this one too. And you got double doors that open up to this beautiful pool back there. Man, too bad I don't have $3 million. Come on guys, help me, help you, help me, help you, help me. Beautiful estate. So we're going to do a full circle. Okay. And then you're gonna have surround sound throughout out here, of course. 14. So this is deep. This pool is deep. Huge pool. Got a little grotto area, sitting bar around there. Waterfall. I can imagine how beautiful that is. I can imagine this whole setup in the summertime. People just hanging out, having a good time. You got the little seating area, lounging area off the Casita here. Putting greens. Needs a little touch up on the putting greens, but still beautiful. We'll go check that out in a second. That's the outdoor kitchen area. I'm just gonna do a full loop around here. Just because this estate has so much to it. Then you got your little zen area back here. I like it. And zen out, just chill out. Looks like you got some sort of school behind you right here. Then you got planter boxes back here. They probably get just enough sun. That's why they put them back here. So if you want to grow some food, you could probably actually put more back here too if you wanted. This much space. Lush gardens. Love it. And this is your 4-car garage. So this is your private garage. You have that wraparound driveway in the front that we saw earlier. That 2-car garage is made into a playroom. So you drive back here and you have your own personal parking spaces for all your vehicles. This is a 4-car. Looks to be pretty high, depending how big an RV you are. But you can just put your RV right here if you need to, or right here. So I don't think a full-size RV would fit that. Now let's go check out this outdoor kitchen area and the rest of this pool that wraps around. That's pretty amazing. So there's more of the pool, a walkway into the grotto. And then you have a stage right there for your outdoor cooking area, which is pretty remarkable. You have some friends that, you know, are musicians. You got great seating area out here, lounging area, outdoor speakers, and look at this outdoor cooking area. I've never seen an outdoor cooking area with a vent that big. You got your barbecue, all your fridges, your ice machines, you got a boiler down there, you got a tap. And then you have more seating. And this is an exclusive, just listed 2 days ago, and it'll probably sell by the end of this weekend. It is actually Friday, April, what's it, the 27th? April 26th. Friday, April 26th. You go down, I don't know if you can tell how deep it is. You can go in here, which will kind of go in here for a little bit. And little grotto area. Sit down, have a drink, have some food, have a private conversation, or whatever. But yeah, what a gorgeous property. $3 million. There's cameras all around, security, so you ain't gotta worry about any of that. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Tour of the exclusive property in Atlas Drive, historic community, beautiful. So if you're in the neighborhood of $3 million, let me know. It'll be gone soon. Or if you want to list your home, this is what we do. We sell them.